An NFL rookie wanted his first paycheck to go to good use.
I'm excited to do a little surprise for the cafeteria ladies. That's been helpful for all of us.
22-year-old Deshaun Watson plays for the Houston Texans. When he heard 3 women who work in NRG Stadium's cafeteria were affected by Hurricane Harvey, he wanted to make sure they got the help they needed.
I really appreciate y'all. So I wanted to give my first game check to y'all to help y'all out some type of way.
Watson reportedly donated $27,000 to the women and let them know he will help as they continue to recover from the disaster.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Can I give you a hug?
Yeah.
It's a generous start to his NFL career and a move that will go farther than any touchdown pass he could throw. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Mara Montalbano.